Hi there, my name is Chelsea Gibson here with your free daily video from Wild Rose Wellness, and we're talking about cleaning during your quarantine. Now, all of you are in a different routine, so now we actually have to get ourselves a new routine, right? And one of the ways, especially if you're working from home, especially if you're at home with your children, it's really important to have really clean, organized workspaces. Why? Because your whole life already feels like it's in disarray. It is very important to keep everything clean and tidy. And if you look behind me, I always make sure that the top of my desk is always clean when I'm done. When I am done for the day, I fold everything up, I reorganize it, and then I leave. So what you want to do, first of all, make sure that you never leave your space for the day, which, by the way, leave the space for the day. It helps your brain turn off, but also make sure that it's always tidy, that at least tidy, organized. It doesn't have to be perfectly spotless like mine is there, but just keep it tidy and organized. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have things that you love in the space. Add things to the space that make you really happy, your favorite candle, your favorite book, your favorite quote. Put it up, your goals, maybe your targets, maybe have a bulletin board with your targets or your favorite quotes, things that bring you joy, because it's really hard to focus when everything else is already out of whack. And then all of a sudden you're like, wait, oh yeah, I was working. So things that you enjoy, that when your eyes move, you actually move to a spot that brings you joy. I also suggest to people, if possible, schedule breaks. So what you want to do with your breaks is make sure that every half hour, hour or so, depending, go for a walk around your house, get a glass of water, stretch perhaps, just to break up that time. Just because right now, while you're working from home, it's going to be really important that you actually support yourself. You give yourself the tools and the breaks that you need. Your eyes need a break, your mind needs a break, but your whole being, your spiritual being just needs a break. So give yourself that break, give yourself that time if possible. So if you'd like to enjoy more daily videos, you can click like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. These are videos made for you. They're all for free and they are every day. So keep going with these. I love and adore you all for participating in this, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye for now.